What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this 2005 Suburban 1500, and the problem is this window, it intermittently won't go open and close with this switch. Now, same problem with the other side, but actually I took the switch apart just to see if I could find anything wrong with it, and come to find out that it was just the connection was dirty in there. So what I'm going to do, the same thing is going on with this one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the panel and I'm going to take the switch out. We'll disassemble the switch and then clean it, and then I'll show you that it's going to work again. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and let's get started. All right, now what you can see with this window, you see how it won't lower, but then you kind of mess with it and then it goes down. So you see, it doesn't. Same thing going up. You got to kind of wiggle it a little bit, and then finally it starts to work. Now, basically, we have to pull this screw right here and then get the switch assembly out. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by taking these little tabs around the edge, and we're gonna lift them up so we can take the whole assembly out. All right, so basically I got it out. It's gonna look like this. Now, it's gonna have these little plastic deals. Just take that off. It's just probably, they don't want anyone, it's like a tamper-proof thing. Get rid of that thing. And it's the same thing on this. Kind of gently pry up on these things. Try not to break them. Like, see, that one's already broken. See? So it comes apart like this. The way the switch works is that inside of here, you know, where you push the buttons, you hit the rockers, right? You push the buttons, and then it pushes on these little contacts here. You can see how dirty it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna rub on these to clean them up, and it's gonna make it work a lot better. So I took the switch out of that thing, and basically that's, you know, just the bottom part of it, what it looks like. So I just got some regular alcohol right here and a couple of Q-tips. I'm gonna put it in there and basically just gonna rub it off. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a little bit dirty. See, it's starting to clean that up. Go, you know, all different directions, circles and everything. Try to get it. Oh, you know what? I forgot these two right here. Basically, I'm going to put it back together, being careful not to bend a pin. Should slide right in. Yeah, there we go. It'll be all right. As long as you know it's going back on in the same place. You gotta double check, make sure all the pins are in. You're good. While it's hot, I'm just gonna clean it up. So I gave it a quick wipe down. Kind of make the switches look a little bit nicer. And you just pop it back on. See, popped right into place. It's good. Now let's put this bad boy back on and we'll check it out. All right, as you can see, I got the panel back on, but I still gotta fine tune it. There's a deal there I gotta put in, and then here I gotta put in. And then of course I gotta pop this bad boy, put that bad boy back on. But now's the moment of truth. Perfect. No fighting with the switch whatsoever. See? Switches work. I couldn't be happier with how it's working right now. So I was able to save myself $100, $200, however much the switch is. And thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment, thumbs up, like, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And we'll see you on the next video. Later.